Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you, very weird though, but I decided to share my daily makeup routine. This is really very basic. I'm not a makeup guru. I know someone who is, but I'm really not. I just want to show you how I do my face every day, especially nowadays that it's the new normal. And I'm wearing a headset because I noticed hina talaga boses ko. Pasensya na guys. So, I decided to wear this kasi wala pa akong yung mga wireless na ganyan. No, so I decided to wear this. Ang ingay ng aso. I decided to wear this para mas malakas boses ko. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so the first thing I use after I just took a bath, actually after cleansing my face or taking a bath, is clean hands. I actually don't use a cotton to apply my what you call this, toner. I use this Just yan. Nag ano ba yun? Yan. And then I also let it set a little bit, and then I also use Claire's after to keep my lips moisturized lang. Okay, so after the toner, I use this. Tama ba? Kita ba? Yeah, it's the Avon Serum. I actually just use affordable products. And then I also use this from Avon for my under eye. Why am I making that sound? I make sure this is how it looks like pala. I make sure I include my eyelids and brow area. Just let it set. And then the products I use every day, as in like every day, madumi na nga siya, is this by Careline ba to? Blythe by Careline, I think. Or was it by Maybelline? I forgot. Basta I bought this in Watson's. It looks something like this. I like this because it has 4 shadows already, and then my blush on. So first thing I do is I've been getting a lot of pimples here. I cover this. I know it's weird. I color correct. Nakapag-set na yung mga pinaglalagay natin sa mukha. So now, make sure it's clean. concealer, I use the Maybelline Fit Me in Sand. So first, I go to the areas na I really need coverage. So this one. And my under eyes. And there on my nose. Just use my hands. Napadami lagay ko. And for this one, use my brush. So after that, I don't powder right away. I know I need to set this, but I first use my fingers again. Or should we use, yeah, let's just use my brush. My favorite brush right now. Wala. Wait. You can use your fingers. Sige, pakita ko. Tap, 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 tap. And I don't go below my nose line. This, I don't go below here. So that my face doesn't drag down. So, dyan lang sa taas. Parang natural. Tsaka I don't go beyond the iris. Sorry, the center of my eyes. I don't go beyond that. Para it's lifted and they look fresh. Just. Para at least that's how I see myself. Tama ba? Yeah, tap, tap, tap. This one, a little goes a long way. Sobra na nga ako. Just use the brush. And I don't wipe. As in... madami yata dito. Or sa lighting lang yan. Yan. Tamang blush lang. I'm gonna use this for my eyes. Lah, ubos na. set the under eye. I use pala the Maybelline, L'Oreal Infallible. We can now set this. Don't forget your neck area. Nice. So I actually just wanna add color to my eyes kasi yan, flat na flat, round na round mata ko. So I like kahit ano lang. So I like going in with this sa lid, tapos ito sa crease. So let's just use our hands again. Just enough. Can you see? Sa lid lang. Not too much. You don't. This can either look really nice or really bad. That I might have to take this off. Yeah, I like experimenting. And then the lighter one I use on the crease. Yeah. Blend lang, ganon. Please don't bash me. This is really just how I do my makeup. Especially when I'm in a hurry. Especially when I'm in a hurry and I use my time driving to do my makeup. So this is it. And then it has glitters, yeah. I use this. And then, dyan lang sa gitna. Kilay. This is a fail, you guys. I normally use an angled brush, but I can't seem to find it. So let's just use this powder brush instead. And I use a deep brown, or a brown. And then, because I already have a little bushy brows, I just like filling my brows where there are sparse areas. Follow ko lang yung natural shape of my brows. On special occasions, of course, I do it a little more better. Or a little better. Tama ba English ko? Whatever is the excess dyan sa harap. Sana hindi patchy kilay ko. I like using powder kasi it looks more natural than the gel ones. At least for me. Yeah. Now, for lash, And then, mascara. Almost done. Because we use washable face mask, I use this stain. Okay lang. Just enough to give my lips color. Bye. I'm going to change now because I'm going to the office.